Viewers, I'm Pia and you're watching NewsX. Till now, over 9 crore devotees have taken the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam in Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Meanwhile, authorities have made elaborate arrangements and implemented a detailed plan in order to ensure smooth movement of both pilgrims as well as vehicles in and around the area for the safety of all the people over there. Meanwhile, anticipation builds as Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is also set to take a holy dip in the Ganga, and he is of course also slated to visit the Mahakumbh Mela and hold a cabinet meeting over there. Of course, the special cabinet meeting will be held in Prayagraj. Elaborate arrangements have been made. My colleague Nigita had of course taken you through the entire setup, how beautifully it is decorated. Meanwhile, she is now joining us live from Prayagraj. Nikita, what's the mood like on the ground? You know, a lot of people, devotees over there specifically, have been praising the Yogi Adityanath-led administration over the last week or so regarding the efficiency, considering the mammoth scale of the event.
Well, no doubt, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be holding a cabinet meeting today in Prayagraj, and currently we are present in Arail, and let me show you with the visuals that Chief Minister in a short interval of time will be arriving out here in Prayagraj, where Yogi's government cabinet meeting is being held. That is today, Wednesday, in Prayagraj, and all 54 ministers of Yogi government have been called in this meeting. And regarding this meeting, schemes and proposals, maybe giving gifts to the state will be maybe approved. And after this, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also take a dip in holy stream of Triveni Sangam along with entire cabinet. So this is the visual, this is the all preparation which we are continuously showing you. And earlier Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had also taken a dip in Sangam with entire cabinet. If we talk about 2019 Kumbh Mela, then Akhada Parishad President Narendra Giri and other saints also took bath in Sangam along with Chief Minister, and all 54 ministers of UP government have been called to attend this meeting of Yogi government in Mahakumbh, and this meeting will start at approx 12 noon in Triveni complex of Arail. And this is the pictures how beautifully this whole campus have been decorated with flowers, and all ministers have started arriving out here, and it also been decided to hold a meeting in Arail so that devotees coming to bathe in Sangam do not face any inconvenience. And earlier this meeting was to be held in auditorium of Mela Authority, but keeping all aspect in mind, the venue of meeting was later changed, because if this meeting of ministers is held in auditorium of Mela Authority, then due to VVIP securities, the devotees could have faced many problems. And after the meeting, all ministers will go to Sangam via motorboat of Arail VIP Ghat. There all ministers including Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will do proper worship, and in this they will take a dip of faith in Triveni through the jetty built on Sangam bank. So the officials have started arriving with the live pictures we are showing you, and according to this information, all 21 ministers including Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya, Brajesh Pathak, Cabinet Minister Suresh Khanna, Surya Pratap Shahi, Swatantra Dev, Baby Rani Maurya, Jaiveer, all ministers are present here, and total of 54 ministers including the rest of independent charge and Minister of State will take bath in Sangam after attending the cabinet meeting. And in short interval of time at approx 11:45 is the time when Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be reaching, and that is the place where the cabinet meeting will take place. And after that, CM will arrive from this very location. We are continuously showing the security is being present out here, and after arriving, he will straight away go to that hall where cabinet meeting will take place. And after that, this is the place where Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will hold will hold a press conference. So we are continuously showing you the pictures exclusive on NewsX, where Chief Minister will hold cabinet meeting, and after the whole cabinet meeting where ministers will tell each and every and whole agenda of Uttar Pradesh as far as development is concerned, economy is concerned, infrastructure is concerned. Keeping all that in mind, after holding a meeting, Chief Minister will go with all 54 ministers to take a holy dip in Sangam, and after having lunch, then straight away he'll come here, and the whole press conference and also a social message to all the devotees out here for all media, Chief Minister will hold from here. So our current location is at Arel, Sector 23, where in short interval of time, that is at 11 approx 45, Chief Minister will arrive to hold a cabinet meeting. Over to you.
It's till UP CM Yogi Adityanath